Introducing Metallic Shimmer Ink Sprays from Altenew. These sprays are 2 fluid-ounce metallic shimmers in various Altenew colors. They are water-based, acid-free, and archival. These ink sprays are designed to work wonderfully with our existing ink colors. All of our ink sprays come in a white top spray bottle with a nozzle cap. To use a spray, start by placing a cardstock on a surface where your work area is protected from the spray mist. Make sure to shake the bottle well until the pigment and the shimmer elements are mixed thoroughly. To get fine mist on your projects, aim for the corners of the cardstock and spray about 6 inches away from it. Aiming corners will allow the final mist to touch the paper, giving more even and overall coverage. To get a mix of fine and large mist, spray directly onto the cardstock about 6 inches away from it. A mix of fine and large mist will add a fun interest to your projects. After using the spray, make sure to wipe away any excess pigments from the nozzle using a baby wipe or clean tissue. Store ink spray bottles away from direct sunlight. Our ink sprays are perfect companions to our stencils. Simply put the stencil on top of a cardstock you wish to use and spray over it. For soft impressions, spray lightly. For intense looks, spray multiple times. Make sure to fully dry the cardstock before working on your crafting projects. All of our Metallic Shimmer Ink Sprays are high quality, manufactured right here in the USA. To find out more about these Metallic Shimmer Ink Sprays and other available products, please visit us at altenew.com.